The Maltese Islands are generally regarded as a beach destination with unrivaled historical monuments thrown in for good measure. But the islands also offer a colorful nightlife. Pažljivo, situated near St. Julian's, is Malta's main nightlife area. It is the scene of Malta's year-round nightlife and offers leisure, entertainment, and dining to suit all tastes. There is plenty to choose from. Pažljivo has the latest in club DJ music, as well as numerous cocktail bars and casinos. Though Malta might be just a little speck on any map, the island can hold its own in the club scene in more ways than one. A whopping 12,000 people hit the clubs on a weekend in Malta, and every year, most of the top 50 DJs worldwide will play at an event in Malta at least once. Greats like Carl Cox, Paul Oakenfold, and Tiesto have all passed through, often returning a second time. Such is the positive vibe of the local scene. Nightlife is an all-week affair in Malta. Streets in the nightlife towns get literally crowded with people, all out for a good night out. Music festivals and concerts in Malta often feature world-class artist lineups, offering concertgoers the opportunity to experience some of the world's best new and established artists in the Mediterranean islands.